Welcome back to the channel. If you were trading on Deriv, you know that the market moves fast, and sometimes manual trading can be stressful. Today, I'm showing you a game changer, PivotCore.net. This is a powerful auto trading platform designed specifically for Deriv users who want to take the emotion out of their trades. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, automation allows you to execute strategies with precision that's hard to match manually. Let's dive into how this platform can work for you. In this session, we're focusing on a very popular and straightforward strategy, even-odd. The beauty of PivotCore is how it handles these digit-based strategies. You don't have to sit and click every second. The system follows the logic for you. Today, I've set a very realistic and disciplined plan. We're aiming for a 10-trade session with a goal of winning 5 out of those 10 trades. Setting a 50% win rate target is a smart way to manage your risk while testing the consistency of the platform's execution. As you watch the screen, notice how easy it is to configure the parameters. We set our stake, define our even-odd preference, and let the bot take over. What makes PivotCore.net stand out is its speed and the seamless integration with your Deriv account. You'll see the trades being placed in real time. By planning for 10 trades, we aren't over-leveraging. We're looking for steady, systematic results. Watch how the bot reacts to the market ticks. It's all about timing and technical accuracy. Now that the 10 trades are completing, look at the performance. Even when the market is volatile, having a preset plan protects your balance. If you've been struggling with manual trading or just want to explore the world of automated trading, PivotCore.net offers a clean, user-friendly interface to get started. It's about working smarter, not harder. You can see how we reached our 5-win goal by staying disciplined and letting the automation do the heavy lifting. Automating your Deriv strategy could be the step you need to find more consistency in your trading journey. If you want to try this out for yourself, head over to PivotCore.net and see how it fits your trading style. If you found this demonstration helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more automated trading tutorials. Good luck with your trades, and I'll see you in the next one.